Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live. We got a huge video for you, absolutely huge video for you. Boom! We're going to be seeing most of the cryptocurrencies blasting off very shortly, guys. We're going to see Dogecoin recovering, Dogecoin going up, guys. We could see 10 cents coming in, guys, and a huge blast off is about to happen for cryptocurrencies, for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin, for Shiba Inu out there. I'm going to tell you why this is happening, what's going to be the catalyst, what is going to cause all of this happening. Also, we're going to talk about FOMC. What is going on with FOMC and what does that mean to you and me out there, guys? So it is a great time to be alive. So this is a Ric Flair of crypto, woo, in the house, coming to you live once again. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Let's get into the content without any further delay. I don't want to bore you with all the intro, guys. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And guys and gals, do become members. Go to the YouTube homepage and click on membership and become a member. Support the channel any way you can. And if you become a super member, you get access to a private WhatsApp group. So that is fine and dandy. And if you have become a member and you have become a super member or VIP member, don't forget to DM me on Twitter with your YouTube handle and the type of membership, and we'll give you the link out there, guys. So that is good news out there. Also, big welcome, new subscribers in the house. We got Muscle Good Reviews. We got Spectral Light with Jason Leffert, Larry Chong, and Joseph out there, guys. So welcome to the family, guys. What is going on? We did see that yesterday. The U.S. markets were pretty much up, so that is pretty good to have a nice green day. That is also helping. One of the reasons why crypto is getting a little bit of traction out there. Looks like the Fed is likely to hike rates by a quarter point, but it must also reassure it can contain the banking crisis. So, one of the reasons that people are saying that the banking crisis is happening is because of the Powell out there and all of the incessant rate hikes out there. And his whole plan was to slow economy by slowing people's spending, but I didn't think that he anticipated that his rate hikes would cause the collapse of banking as we know it today, guys. So let's hope. I'm really hoping that we will see that the rate hikes will be neutral out there, but it looks like most people are seeing that it's going to be 25 basis points. So looks like First Republic Bank after hours is down 9%. So it did recover a little bit yesterday out there. So, but guys, some interesting news that we're going to be talking about when it comes to banking out there, guys. Did you know that interest rate expectations ahead of tomorrow's Fed meeting, the base can now show that 85% are looking at 25 basis points. So that's what's going on, guys. So definitely 25 basis points. I think it's already baked in. So we probably won't see a big dump guys. So it's baked in, guys. It's absolutely baked in. A lot of news about the FOMC meeting. That's what everybody's waiting for. It's one of the big catalysts that is going to be determining the next steps that the economy is going to take, the next steps that you should take. But despite all of that, despite all the macroeconomic data, it looks like Putin and the head of China, I can't remember his name, whatever his name is, out there, Pencilhead, I can't remember maybe it's Pencilhead, I don't know. But they're meeting, and Putin signed this whole pack out there, guys. So, I don't know. It looks like, the two bad boys of the world are getting together and being chummy out there. So that is not good. That is not good from the geopolitical situation. Bitcoin is just under 28,000 according to Coin 360, was the aggregate of all of the different crypto markets out there. Now remember, CoinMarketCap and other aggregators will show different prices. We're seeing that here on CoinMarketCap, we're seeing that the total market cap is up about 1.18 trillion out there. We're seeing that the Bitcoin dominance at 46, Ethereum dominance at 18.7. Bitcoin is up almost 0.78% on this chart. And that's around about 28,000. Ethereum is up just under 1,800. BNB is slightly down. We're seeing XRP blasted off. Looks like there's some news about Australia. Some companies in Australia are going to be using it as a payment mechanism, and people are really betting the farm that XRP is going to pump, guys, after the court case comes out in the favor of XRP. So for me, I've been a Debbie Downer on XRP since the whole SEC case has started. But however, I am getting bullish again, and that's why I bought in around about 3 weeks ago. So I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did, because I'm up right now. So it looks like also Cardano is up 10%, so that is pretty good out there. And the Doge Wozur is up 5.61%. That is pretty good, and this is up organically out there. We're over 10 billion, and we have Flip Polymatic, guys, out there. So that is pretty good out there. So I'm loving it. You should be loving it. Solana is slightly up Shiba Inu is up also 3%. So it looks like the meme coins are starting to bounce back. So that is pretty good. And you'll find that when the meme coins start to pump, this is often indicative of a huge bull run to come, guys. So that is interesting news. Absolutely interesting news. The only big announcement we have today is we've got the FOMC meeting. That's coming out 2:30, guys. Fear and greed right now. Let me give this a minty refresh time. Pow, 111. And don't forget Dogecoin 111, guys. We're seeing the fear and greed is slightly down a little bit out there, but we're still greedy, guys. Are you feeling greedy? Are you feeling lovely jubbly out there? We're seeing that the DXY is going up. Not a good look for cryptocurrencies. Not a good look. We're seeing gold as well. Gold as well is still up from. This is when we had the banking crisis. We saw that when gold went up from the banking crisis. We did see that at the top it went up about 11%, but right now we're still up 7% out there. So we're seeing more and more people, because of the fear and the sentiment out there, because of banking collapsing, we're seeing that more and more people are flocking to gold and flocking to cryptocurrency. That is one of the reasons why we're having the Bitcoin is going crazy and this whole boom time, guys. So S&P is above 4,000. That is pretty good news. Bitcoin wise, Bitcoin is above 28,291. This is the daily Binance chart on the daily right now. So on the Binance chart, and remember, Binance is the absolute largest exchange on the planet. So this is the price. It's $28,292, almost $28,300. So far looking good. The 28,000 level is holding on the Binance chart, so that is lovely jubbly. If you take a look at the predator indicator, also looking pretty good. We're looking at a nice bull flag happening here, a nice bull flag formation here and here, guys. So we can see kind of like a mini bull flag on the daily. That is pretty good. That should give us take us and jump us up to 30,000. So I'm pretty bullish out there, guys. If you take a look at what's going on with Ethereum as well, Ethereum, as I talked about, is also painting a nice bullish flag as well, and that should take us well above $1,800. And hopefully our next target to clear is going to be $2,000. So that is good news out there, guys. I thought this was interesting. This is from Snowflake Inverse Kramer, and he said 6 days ago I would sell my Bitcoin. So this happened 6 days ago, and since he opened his big trap out there, Bitcoin has gone up about 70%, guys. So listen to this. This is Inverse Kramer. Snowflake.
To this rally. Then I would sell my Bitcoin right into this rally. And believe me, I had been a believer one time in Bitcoin. Not here, not now.
Yeah. So basically, I love Jim Cramer because he's kind of the contrarian indicator. Whatever he says, do the complete opposite. Okay. So this is Jim Cramer, and he said that he would sell all his Bitcoin, and that was 6 days ago. And you know what's happened to Bitcoin? It's pumpity pump, guys. So guys, did you know that Shiba Inu, how many SHIB tokens are staked to earn passive income? So this is a huge number, and I kind of thought this was kind of interesting. And it looks like we have 15.9 trillion Shiba Inu that is staked right now, and that's worth approximately 171 million. Now, in case you're wondering what staking is, basically staking is a method of earning passive income while investors continue to hold their tokens. The method brings additional revenues to users instead of the tokens sitting idle on their portfolio for a prolonged period of time. Holders need to stake their crypto for particular amounts of time to reap the benefits. So there is a lot of platforms that allow staking. Shiba Swap is one of those. But remember, if you want to stake, you have to actually connect your wallet. You actually have to connect your wallet to Shiba Swap. For example, if you have Phantom, you need to connect your wallet to Spooky Swap. If you have Pancake tokens, you need it to connect to Pancake. So guys, remember, staking can often yield very good APYs, but also there is a risk, right? There is a risk out there. And remember, if you're a newbie and you're trading on a centralized exchange, you will not be able to connect your wallet to DeFi out there. So that is what's going on with that. And I've been doing staking for a very long time. I've been doing staking on Pancake Swap, Spooky Swap, Metas. Basically, all of my crypto that's sitting, I am staking. Now, if you're a Binance holder, Binance does have native staking within the application, so you can use that out there. It's pretty simple. You just go to Binance and you just go to Binance Earn, and you have a lot of options. You can lock staking, unlock staking. So guys, it's a way of gaining passive income. But remember, not financial advice. There is inherent risk with staking, right? Also on DeFi, right? There is inherent risk. So just be careful with that. Absolutely be careful with that, guys. Dogecoin, the Twitter dream, is it over for Doge? Do you think that Elon Musk is not going to integrate Doge into Twitter? Do you think that Elon Musk has given up on the Doge, guys? So my personal opinion, I do not think that Elon Musk has given up on the Doge. I think that Elon Musk is distracted with Twitter, Tesla, SpaceX, all this kind of stuff that's going on. And don't forget, I still think it's a matter of time. I think that Elon Musk will surprise us. I think in April, we're probably going to get something huge coming out from Elon Musk, because he loves April out there. Looks like Bloomberg analyst says Bitcoin could be kicking off for a new super cycle as BTC outperforms gold. So right now, we are seeing that BTC is outperforming gold. So if we go to the BTC chart right now, we can see that BTC is up since we had this whole collapse of the banks from here to here. We're seeing that the BTC is up 41%. Now, if we compare that to the gold chart, let me get the gold chart. Where's the gold bug? If we compare that to gold from the collapse here to here, we're only up 7.37%. So definitely we are seeing that gold is outperforming Bitcoin. Get your words right. That Bitcoin is outperforming gold, guys. So remember, one of the biggest things that I'm worried about is I'm worried about the US dollar collapse against the reserve currency, guys. So that is what I'm worried about, guys. Also, looks like the largest pension fund in Sweden, has just sold all of its shares in First Republic at a loss of $730 million. So if you had your pension fund in Sweden, looks like you took a hit, taking a loss out there. Guys, remember, this is interesting. Banks have serious problems, okay? This is this is a spread between money market mutual funds rates and bank deposit. So right now, banks have serious problems. We all know that. Why hold deposits in a bank and receive only 0.48% on your money when a money market mutual fund pays 4.45%? Exactly. On the hunt for yield, depositors are leaving and forcing banks to sell their assets at a loss to provide liquidity. If the Fed hikes rates tomorrow, the issue only gets worse. Unlike the Fed, the monetary policy of Bitcoin is 100% predictable, guys. So that is why it's going to be a safe haven, because we're going to see, with more bank failures, what is the Fed going to do? They're going to guarantee deposits. They're going to backstop banks. Where are the cash coming from? Where is the cash coming from? They're going to be printing, guys. They're going to be printing. And that is why we can see here, if you look at the purchasing power of the dollar right now, in 1920, the US dollar was equivalent to $25 in terms of purchasing power today. So basically, you could see in 1913, you could basically buy $1 would buy approximately 30 Hershey's bar. Put that in perspective. 1929, $1 would buy 10 toilet rolls. Okay. In 1933, $1 would buy 10 bottles of beer. Could you imagine? Now, $1 in 2000, right now, lucky if it buys a coffee at McDonald's. So you can see here that the value of the dollar has just been going down, down. We had the depeg from the gold standard. We had the quantitative easing here. And now the U.S. money supply, guys, get this. The U.S. money supply grew by 3.8 trillion in 2020, equal to the 20% of all dollars ever created, guys. So, it's just madness. We're just madness. So that is why I'm concerned that we're going to be seeing that the dollar could devalue and we could have a big problem, guys. So Bitcoin's recent price action suggests a new narrative is building. Bitcoin is acting as a safe haven against the response to the fraud central bank money policy, which, so that is why a lot of people are flocking to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the only safe haven, And remember, you control it, you own it, guys and gals. So that is why Bitcoin is going to be pumping, and that is why I think there's going to be a super cycle, guys. So Governor Ron DeSantis is looking to lead a 20-state coalition against CBDCs, guys. And what this is all about is, Big Brother's digital dollar, and they do not want CBDCs. Why? Because they believe it threatens personal privacy, economic freedom through government sanctions, right? Community financial fintech innovations, and access to goods and services by limiting purchases. So, guys, remember, this is a bad thing in my opinion, because centralization is not good. Guys, take a look at this. How long for Bitcoin to go from number 18 to number 1? So this is a look at the most valuable companies in the world right now. So in terms of total market cap, gold is number 1, Apple number 2, Saudi Aramco, Microsoft, silver, Google, Amazon. But look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just behind Tesla in terms of total value out there, guys. So amazing, amazing. And how long will it take? How long will it take for Bitcoin to have the total market cap of gold, which is about 12.73 trillion out there? And right now, the market cap of Bitcoin is around about 112 billion, guys. So interesting stuff, guys. Boom chakalaka. Here we freaking go, guys. Now, remember, if we look at the weekly prior impulse path, looking at the 4 impulse paths, these were the range of outcomes when superimposed on today's market. So if we look at the impulse paths, I did talk about this in a previous video, but it is very important to restate that anybody's saying Bitcoin can't do this, they haven't started the path. So we are looking between May and August timeframes, we're going to see Bitcoin raging at a low of 60,000 to 180,000. Wow, guys. So buckle up, guys. Strap on, because Bitcoin is going to the freaking moon, guys. Also, it looks like Bitcoin is on only a 22% increase away from a green year predicted medium, and that is $34,000, guys. And every time this happens, we often have a huge catalyst, huge boom to the upside. Bitcoin, this is from Trader Tardigram. More evidence why you should be bullish on Bitcoin. More evidence why you should not sleep on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is forming another bullish expanding triangle, and it's just a matter of time, guys. And once again, we could see all-time highs happening in 2023, and this is going to be, a Bitcoin hyper cycle, guys, a super cycle, and that is caused by fear, distrust of the banking system, guys. It is huge out there. Looks like Dogecoin, right? Fear and greed is at 56, so fantastic out there. So right now, the price of Dogecoin is sitting pretty back up above the 0.756 level, and it's looking good, guys. Dogecoin, boom, blast off time. And with the FOMC meeting that's going to come out, if they have the 25 basis points, it could cause more banks to tank, increase the whole fear level for the traditional markets, and push more capital into the crypto markets, and that's going to create Dogecoin, and Bitcoin is going to go to the moon, guys. So right now we're seeing that Dogecoin is at 0.76 on the coin market cap. We're seeing that the volumes are like up a whopping 55.48%. We're over 10 billion with a B out there in terms of market cap. We flipped Polymatic, so that is pretty good. Who's in the money? Who's out of the money, guys? Pow! Dogecoin 111, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it to the moon, guys. Slow loading of the internet. We're seeing 57% are in the money, 34% are out, guys. And guys and gals, don't forget, you got the t-shirts. Go check out the link, order the t-shirts, and also to become part of the conversation out there. We got 22 members online. This is totally free. Good morning, community. So get on there, guys. It's free. Join the conversation. I appreciate it. And guys, if you have your crypto on centralized exchange, get a Nano Ledger wallet. Get it. Now let's talk about what's going on in terms of social sentiment for the Dogecoin right now. So right now we're seeing on the daily, social sentiments for Dogecoin is down. Not a good look out there. Get to social media. Get off your couches, guys. Also on the weekly, it's not looking good. And remember, social engagement is going to help aid pump Doge, guys. So that's what that's all about. If you take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu right now, Shiba Inu is not doing too good. It is really struggling right now to get above the 1100 level, and that is acting as huge resistance, absolutely huge resistance. So definitely we need to get past there, get going, guys. It's a great time to be live. So guys, keep an eye on that. Shiba Inu beta is still there. Shiba Inu has not come out. A lot of people are kind of getting disappointed with Shiba Inu, even though people are still positive. But there's a lot of negative sentiment now building up for Shiba Inu, and we keep getting hammered at 11 cents. Based on the Bitcoin price and what's happening, we should absolutely be seeing Shiba Inu should be over 12 cents out there, guys. So what is going on in terms of the tokenomics for Shiba Inu right now? We're up 3%, so that is pretty good. We are seeing the volumes are up 13%, and the market cap is 6.3, guys. So Interesting. No real big news out there for Shiba Inu, but Shiba Inu is just kind of like going sideways, kind of languishing out there, guys. So let's take a look at the DeFi Llama Ding Dong. Right now, we've got about 50 billion total value locked on DeFi out there. So that is cool, guys. Absolutely cool beans. And we're seeing that Lido is leading the pack out there. Lido, MakerDAO, Aave, Curve, Uniswap, Convex, Just Lend, and PancakeSwap. So these are the top DeFi projects, guys. And if you are into DeFi, these are the top coins to be looking at when it comes to DeFi, guys. So don't sleep on DeFi. It's a matter of time. Time. What else is coming in, guys? That's about it, guys. That's going to bring this video to a close, guys. So, guys, boom chakalaka, boom, boom, boom. FOMC is coming. Do you think that the market's gonna tank, or you think the market's gonna go crazy? I think the broader markets are gonna tank, go down, but I think that cryptocurrency is going to boom to the moon, guys and gals. Don't forget to go follow me on my Twitter. Follow. We got 6,824. Don't forget to follow, guys. Also, guys, don't forget to get the merch, guys. I appreciate it. So, guys, be well, be blessed. I'm about to leave, about to go to the grindy grind, guys. So bring you some quickie update, guys. It's a great time to be live. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.